In this video we are going to learn about graphic windows features in small basic. Now here this command graphics window show, it will show the default graphic window. There are certain features, default properties. Once you provide this command, it will start with the default features. Now we can see this. I'll copy this command and now these are the default features. Now here graphics window width, the default 624 and height 444. That is actually the default value, but we can customize, we can change it. Then the background will be white and the letters will be black. At the same time the title, the default small basic graphics window, right, this is given as a default title, but we can change this as well. Then in graphic we can use pen to draw and brush to paint. So the default painting color will be slate blue, right. Now these are the default, but we can change these default properties, right. Now here width, height, color, title, the pen color and the brush color, these default values we need to remember, right, the basic thing. Now we can customize it and see, right, we can customize it and see here. Now here we are setting graphic window background color steel blue, graphics window title, here we are changing the title, and we are changing the width, we are changing the height, right. Now we'll apply these commands and see. Here size is reduced, title change, color change. Very simple. Once you understand the basic theory, it is very simple. Then we are going to draw a line. Now here we need to understand always starting point will be here, left corner, right. Again I'll show you here. Now once you run this, you'll be getting this window. Now here the starting point is here, the 0. We all know x-axis we are reading from here to here, then y-axis here to here, right. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, likewise it goes up to here, the 300 according to the value we provided, right. Always we need to understand that measurement, right, then only we can locate it properly. Now here somewhere in the middle it will be x 150, then y 150 if it is 300 by 300. That we need to understand clearly, then only we can locate these positions, right. We are going to draw a line here. Now graphics window width 200, graphics window height 200, graphics window draw line. This is the command, right? In graphic windows, draw line. Then 10 10. This is the starting position. X10 Y10, and this will considered as length and this considered as height. So from this, start from this position, and width will be 100, height will be 100, right? This is actually one line we are going to draw. Then you can assume, right, here starting from 10 10, so it will start from this corner and draw like this. The n will be, so this is not a rectangle, so when we are drawing the rectangle only, we need to consider this as the length and the height, but in this case this will be the starting point and this will be the ending point, and it will draw the line. Now we can draw it and see here 10 10 100 100 10 100 110, right? I'll explain, right, how these locations are positioned, right? Now see here, this is 200 by 200, so 10 10 starting from here, then here y, this point x 100 y 100, here x 10 y 10, these are the 2 points. Once it come here, you can see here x will be 100 and the y will be 10, x will be 100 and the y will be 10. Then here x will be 10 and the y will be 100, so the line is actually drawn this direction, right? Now you should be able to clearly understand how these positions are located, that is very important, right? Now second, x is 10 but y is 100, starting from this corner, no? Go like this, right? This line goes from this corner to this corner like this, and this one comes from here to here, right? Not only the output, we need to clearly understand how these locations are set, and we need to understand the position and the line drawn. Now here we can modify this line drawing, right? We can set the color, we can set the width, right? It is possible. Now we'll see this here. Pen color green, we are changing the color, then draw line, then again we change the color, pen color gold, and then drawing the line, right? So once you change the pen color, this line actually draw accordingly this pen color, right? And here also same. Now still the pen is green, but here we are changing it to gold, therefore this line will be drawn using gold color, right? We can see that practically. Here, right, we can change the pen color, and we can change this thickness as well, right? We can change that thickness as well. Here we are changing actually the thickness. You can now clearly understand, right? Pen width, pen color, draw line, right? Pen width is set here to 10, so we are not going to change the pen width. Then we change the color and draw this, then we change the color, this also actually drawn using this pen width, because already pen width is set here. We want to change here, again we need to use this command pen width, and you can change the width separately for this color, Now we are keeping the same width and we are changing the color. Here, now these are the basic stuff we need to clearly understand. Then we'll be using few advanced drawing using graphic windows. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.